Wash the tomatoes and cut off the top quarter. Hollow out the tomato using a spoon. Next, finely chop the onion. Cut the fillet into small pieces. In a pan on medium heat, add the oil and fry the onions. To the onions, add the chopped fillet and basil. Season with salt and pepper. To the bowl of cooked rice, add in the mixture. Add the creme fraiche, Parmesan cheese, and mix well. Fill the tomatoes with the mixture. Place the tomatoes into a greased dish and sprinkle with Parmesan. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. After it's finished baking, lay on top of a bed of deep-fried bihun and garnish.